Hey photographers, I'm just going through my weekly what do I need to do on Schoology so you stay up to date on what is due. Okay, so if you look right here, this is our school calendar, and you can actually see some things that need to happen this week. So, number one, um, you should already have handed this stuff in. If you have not handed this in, you probably have a lower grade than you want, so you might want to check that out. I did give everybody kind of if you didn't hand this in, I know most people did stuff in class, but I want you to check that out just so if you want to redo, you can do that. Okay. Main things that are due this week, you need to submit your spring break photo and create a Zoom account. Now, the Zoom account needs to be probably created before the second because you need to have a conference with me on Zoom so I know so I can critique your pieces and give you feedback. Okay, so that's what this is. Create a photography Zoom time. All right, and we can actually do that with several people in the class. So if you see people I'm gonna actually show you what you need to do as far as signing up for a Zoom time. So I'm gonna go ahead and look on here. This is my dedicated times. So there'll be a couple of slots where only photographers will be online so we can go over what is due. Okay, so and I will show you how that's gonna work. So these are my dedicated times. This is where I'm just gonna be sitting at my computer. So if you have questions or if you need help or if you just need me to give you some feedback, you can actually ask me to meet you on Zoom and do that. If you have not signed up for that, please go to zoom.us, create an account, create a contact for me, and then send your information to me. Okay, so if you look right here, these are my dedicated times. Monday, 8 to 9 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. So that's my time. I know we're dealing with a lot of different time zones, so please make sure that you are aware that this is my time slot, time zones. Okay. Tuesday from 1 to 2:30 p.m. Wednesday from 11 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. and then Thursday by appointment only. All right. Um, this is the Zoom time slot Google Docs. So I want you to go ahead and get on here. People have already started signing up for their time slots. So either you can do this as a one-on-one conference with me, or you can jump on to having multiple people on one slot. So if you want to contact your friends and be able to get on there at the same time, I'm okay with that too. Okay. So if you look down here, it's Thursday through Monday, and you can just go on here. I'm going to show you how to actually, you can either put your name on here yourself and then tag me in it, or you can email me and I will put you on there and do a confirmation that way. So say I wanted to make sure that I got this, I can actually put your name down and then you're just going to add a comment and you're going to put comment and you're just going to tag me in that. Okay. So I would just put at Holly Hooper. Okay, push a sign, and then you're going to sign that. Okay, so that's going to create an email for me that you signed up for that. So you do need to tag me in this when you sign up on your own. If this is confusing and you don't know what you're doing, just email me. I will put you on the list and I will give you a confirmation. Okay, super easy. This first conference is to kind of work out the Zoom kinks and all of that stuff. So please make sure that you sign up for a time so I can better help you. Your first major assignment you should actually be working on, it is the assignment where you are documenting your life right now, and that is due next Tuesday. You should have 5 images. They are going to be very specific. So you will want to check this assignment out so you can be working on this because it's not something that you can just do in one day. All right. So you're documenting how you are doing during this pandemic, right? What's going on in your world? What is different? And I will send out some images to kind of show you the photos that I have been taking for this. Okay. So you can start off with a spring break photo. Please do not use the one that you used for photo of the week. And then document what's changed in your life. Tell a story where you've been. Show emotions and people's expressions. I mean, are you bored at home? Is it, what are you doing? And then you do need to use these types of points of view. So one of them needs to be a worm's eye view. one needs to be a bird's eye view, and one needs to be close up. So out of those 5, you have 3 that are very specific. So you want to be thinking about that when you take photos, okay? If you have questions about that, let me know. But again, they are due next Tuesday, the series of 5. So you should be actively working on those now, okay? If you have taken some already, that's great. You can definitely use those. I'm not telling you to just like go out and take 5 right now. If you took some somewhere else and then you've had to come back and be quarantined, kind of mix those 2 together. So if you went to the beach and now you're just stuck at home, show me that time, that difference in where you were and what you've been doing, okay? Again, if you guys have any questions, just email me. I am happy to help you. I hope you're well. I'll talk to you later.